Hi everyone, this is Momin Sai. I am the founder of SS English Academy. We are so pleased to announce that the students of SS English Academy are participating in outdoor learning tour to Mumbai, and we are going to perform so many activities here. So just stay connected with us for the updates. Thank you.
In India did you like most?
Mumbai.
Mumbai?
Yeah.
Oh, from which places you wandered here?
I've seen everywhere. Yeah.
What did you think about Indian food?
Very good.
Where is you from?
Very tasty.
Where is you from?
Portugal.
Portugal. Oh, it is
Portugal.
Portugal. How was your experience about Indian peoples?
Yeah, very nice people.
Nice. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
If you answer it, I will give you gift.
Oh, nice. If I don't answer, I won't get. Okay,
Yes.
continue.
Can you sing? Could you sing one song in Hindi?
Yeah. Which you want to hear?
Your choice.
Does it work? Yes. I sing my choice. You sing, I'll sing about your choice.
It's your choice.
Okay. You want anyone to answer that question? Which song should I sing for you?
No.
No? It's okay. आप बताओ ना कौन सा सॉन्ग गाओ बोलो
नान भाई बताओ
Which one is your favorite?
माय फेवरेट फेवरेट से फास्ट से
Khadija. Say now.
से वन सॉन्ग प्लीज सजेस्ट
Okay, in English.
In English? You want to hear in English? Why? She told about Hindi, na? Sal told about Hindi only, okay? दिल तो बच्चा है जी, थोड़ा कच्चा है जी, हाँ दिल तो बच्चा है जी. Okay? What's your name?
My name is Khadija.
Atiz.
SS English Institute, and I would like to ask you some questions related to English. If you answer correctly, then I will give you a gift. So my question is, who's known the father of English literature? I have some options: Shakespeare, Chaucer, and Spenser.
Spence. Sure.
Wrong. Sorry.
If animal could talk in English, what do you think cat say first word in English?
I'm cat. That is.
She say meow only because I don't think that she speak anything.
Yes, it's a little bit correct. Please say loud.
I think she speak, but I don't know what she speak.
But you say firstly the cat
Meow.
say meow. It's a correct answer. Okay. Thank you. It's okay.
Answer it, I will give you gift.
Okay, sure.
What is the famous street food in Mumbai? You like?
No, भजिया पाव. I like भजिया पाव. तो माइक उनके पास करो.
Oh. Where are you living?
Right now I am in Powai, Mumbai.
Oh, what is your native language?
My native language is Malvi. It's a Boli in Malwa region of Madhya Pradesh.
Okay, thank you. Some question with you. Okay, in India, which place you are living?
In Mumbai right now.
Okay, which is the famous place in Mumbai?
There are so many famous places in Mumbai like Juhu Beach and Marine Drive and so many as well.
Okay, which place do you like most?
I don't like Mumbai because I am from Delhi, so I don't like so many things here.
Oh, do you know some famous foods in Delhi?
In Delhi, chole bhature and chole bhature.
Okay, thank you. How many consonants?
क्या रहता है? कॉन्फ्रेंस होता है क्या? मुझे मालूम है.
हाँ 9 19 बोल कैसे 19 मैं बोल रहा हूँ मैं बोलता हूँ तेरे को 19 वन मोर ट्राई रुक जा 21
Right answer.
गिफ्ट अच्छा बढ़िया क्या बोले कौन सा स्कूल है थैंक यू सो मच
So, what's your favorite English word and why?
My English word, it's a rap.
Yeah.
Cause I like the music, hip hop. That's why I like the rap word of English. Yeah.
That's right. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
And some more questions I would like to ask, like as you said that you are from Punjab, so what is Punjab famous for?
Punjab famous for Sikhism. That's why there is a golden temple. Like when you going to the Punjab, you have a more peace there. Okay.
And who is your favorite Punjabi singer?
Punjabi singer like Sidhu Moosewala. Yeah, that's a legend.
And what do you like most about Mumbai, as you are in Mumbai right now?
I like Mumbai people, like they are so kind. That's why I here, and I like a hip hop. Here is a hip hop growing. That's why I'm here.
So in which profession you are right now?
I'm right now like a rapper or writer.
If you answer correctly, I give you
a gift for you.
Okay. Yes.
what's the English word for pani puri?
For one of my friend, he is tell you. Please give. He want what is the English meaning of pani puri?
I don't know. Okay, I have another question. Who is known the father of English literature? So I have some option for you: Shakespeare, Chaucer, and Spenser.
Shakespeare and Chaucer.
No, incorrect.
Which one?
Chaucer.
Okay.
So I have one more chance.
It's okay, can we try that?
Okay. What was the? Okay, where are you from?
Nagpur.
Nagpur. Oh, so you are come here from wandering.
Yeah, for job purpose I'm coming here.
What the thing you like about Mumbai?
Everything is local life. It's different about the Nagpur. Crowded.
So from competition to Nagpur, Mumbai is the best or Nagpur?
Yeah, Mumbai is best as compared to Nagpur.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is for you.
One question for you. Is English easy and hard?
Easy and hard and both,
Why?
because some people can't say English, like they don't study in English medium, no, they study in Hindi medium, that's why. So they can't speak English like.
Okay. And one more question.
So the question is, which is the longest word in English language?
I don't know.
So you want to know the word?
Yes.
So the word is pneumono-ultramicroscopic silica volcanoconiosis. This is the word, longest word in English
I have
language.
listened this word in that small children have said that.
Yes. One more time.
I have listened that word and this small children have said.
Okay, thank you. Where are you from?
I am from Kalyan.
So thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sheikh Khalida Fatima. I am sharing my experience about outdoor learning trip. We had visited some iconic places like Gateway of India, Nehru Science Center, and Marine Drive. This trip made us more confident.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Sheikh Aska. Yesterday we had gone for outdoor learning, so I would like to share my experience about it. It was my best trip because I thought Science was just taking for learning trip, but it wasn't like that. We had a lot of fun while learning. So thank you Science for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself, and it gives me more confidence. So thank you so much Science.
Learn so many things in that. So how to talk with other countries people, we learned that in our outdoor learning tour. So next time that people some issues, so you can also go next time in outdoor learning tool. Thank you. This is Atija. As you know, we went to outdoor learning. First, we went Gateway of India. Second, we went to the Marine Drive. Third, we went to the Nehru Park. And fourth, we went Juhu Chowpatty.
This is Shabina Ansari. So as you know, we had gone in outdoor learning. For the outdoor learning, we were enjoying lots of new skills, and I had a wonderful experience. We worked as a team, as all students work together, and we learn new skills, new things. I enjoy a lot, and every student build their confidence to talk with other people.